All right, check this out. Create some incredible symphonic sounds with the free Big Bang Orchestra plugin from Vienna Symphonic Library. I'm Zane, welcome to Simple Green Tech, and before I go any further, I just want you to be aware that you can only use this free plugin if you have a USB e-licenser. And you can have one from Steinberg or one of the other partners that offers USB e-licensers. And you can even get one from Vienna Symphonic Library. I've linked to their website in the description, so you can check that out along with the plugin that I'm talking about today. The e-licenser is like $27, and it's worth it for this plugin alone, but of course you can use it for other programs like Cubase and other plugins that are out there. It is a little weird to install, and I'm going to go over that a little later in the video, but right now let's just check out how this plugin sounds. As you can see in here, it has some mixer presets and controls to help you really dial in your sound. You can choose from stereo and surround outputs, which can be great if you're working on film scoring. The Big Bang Orchestra plugin from Vienna Symphonic Library is actually a great introductory plugin for working on film scoring. It can also be great to add some symphonic sounds to rock music, hip-hop tracks, or pretty much anything. I'm very impressed with the audio quality so far, and you can see down here, it has these blue keys. If you press on one, either by clicking or with your MIDI keyboard, it changes the articulation up here. And this can change the sound and the mood of your song. And the cool thing is you can change this on the fly and easily record the changes with MIDI too. So let's hear how some of these sound. And of course, there are paid add-ons that give you more variety if you want to get more serious about film scoring or just orchestra musical arrangements. I said earlier that it was a little tricky to install, and I'll show you what I mean. So to install and use the free Vienna Symphonic Library plugin, you first need to have the e-licenser software installed on your computer, plus the USB e-licenser needs to be registered and plugged in. Next, you want to create an account on the Vienna Symphonic Library website. Then find the Big Bang Orchestra free basic plugin, click on it, add it to your basket, proceed to the checkout, and you can see it's free, and they also have the Vienna key if you need to add that. Go through the rest of the checkout process, and then next you want to download and install the Vienna Download Manager. And then after that's installed, you want to click on My VSL on the Vienna Symphonic Library website, go to My Products, and then click on Big Bang Orchestra Library. And it brings you to this page here, and then click on it again on this page. And it might show up like this, where you can save the file like this, or it might ask you to open it in the Vienna Download Manager. If it asks that, then click Yes, and it's going to instantly open in there. If it doesn't ask that, download this, And then you can easily add the download from within the Vienna Download Manager just by clicking on it and finding it on your desktop or wherever you downloaded it to. Wait for it to download, and then you'll notice there will be this install button that you can click. There's also another install button that will be down here. You click on either one of those, and if your USB e-licenser is all set up and registered, you should have no problems here with the install. Now the next step is back on the Vienna Symphonic Library website. You want to now download the Vienna Synchron player. And this is what turns the library files into an actual plugin that you can use. Just download it, run the installer, open your DAW of choice, and search for the plugin if it doesn't automatically find it. You can now access your own personal symphony orchestra for creating some epic music. And it's a free plugin. If you want to check out even more free VST plugins, click up here, or click down here to see what YouTube thinks you should watch next. If you like this video, can you please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you'd like to check out more videos from me. Thank you so much for watching. For Simple Green Tech, I'm Zane. Keep creating, and we'll talk soon.